Okay, and so, hey YouTube, it's Darkbyte here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys maths. Yes, it's the dreaded maths. You guys hate maths probably because, you know, you guys probably get bored of it in school, but you guys are going to need to do it if you're going to program, because you're going to be working with variables and changing the values. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I forgot to teach you this a few lessons ago, but say I make a variable, so I'm just going to make an int here, so int exam ex, and I'm going to set it to 5. If I want to change it later, I can change it to 6 if I wanted to, and it works exactly the same. So here we go. I just go ex, and I run it, and it will print out 6. So that's pretty simple. Now let's get on with all the math stuff, because, you know, we need to do this stuff, even though it might be boring. Alright, so here we go. Oh god, my voice is cracking a bit. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to call... Yeah, we're going to make an integer. We're going to make an int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 6, and we're going to go int answer. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to call this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go sysout answer, but obviously answer has no value, so we're going to set answer. Answer is equal to a plus b. So this might just be a concatenation operator, but say we want to do this, so say we want to go a plus b, we can put this in brackets and it'll treat it all as one thing. So if we run this now, it'll be exactly the same as answer, which is 11. See now if we do answer, then this will work. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a really basic calculator using this, using all the skills that we came up with so far, besides maybe the if statement and stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to go scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in. So you remember that from a few lessons ago, I hope. So scanner input is equal to new scanner, and we're just going to import this. Alright, so pardon. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go and we're going to create our integers. So we're going to go int a, and if you want to call multiple of the same thing, we can call them all on the same line by just putting a comma, but it has to be the same type. You can even set their values here, so int a is equal to 10, and it works fine. Alright, so actually we're going to work with floats, because here we go, because floats are, we can have decimal values too, so float answer, and we're also going to have in the middle, we're going to have string operator. So we're going to have string operator, and that's going to be the operator that we use, the maths operator. So add, times, divide, whatever. Alright, so next things next. What we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to print out. So sysout, and we're just going to print out welcome to my calculator. Welcome to my calculator, and then we're going to go sysout, and we're going to call, what else should we call? We're going to call enter. Yeah, enter. We're going to ask them to enter their first value. So enter your first value, and then we're going to go a is equal to input.next int, as we did in last lesson. Then we're going to go sysout, and we're going to go enter your second value, and then we're going to get them to go b is equal to input.next int, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go sysout, enter the operator you would like to use, and then we're just going to go and we're going to go operator is equal to input.next. Oh wait, 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. We're going to call input.nextLine. So input.nextLine, and after that the operator will be set to that. So we're going to call a switch statement, and we're going to call the operator in there, and we're going to go case plus, so obviously if it's a plus, then you know what, let's just copy this over and change it a few times. So case plus 3, 4, 5, and then we'll go default and then break. I don't care. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly fix this. So then case plus, so I'm gonna go case modulus, which is like finding the remainder. Case minus, wait, that would be case divide actually. I'm gonna do it in order. So case divide, case times, and case minus. There we go. Alright, so subtract, whatever you want to call it. So what we're going to do is we're going to set answer is equal to a plus b. A plus b. So then we're just going to change this over a few times. So a plus b, divide. So there we go. And then inside this one we're going to call that, and then inside here we're going to call answer is equal to 0, because obviously these guys wrote something else and we're just gonna pay them back. So here we go. We're going to go answer is equal to a plus b, so this would be answer is equal to a minus b, a times b, a divided by b, and a there we go, a modulus b. So a divided by b. Alright, so there we go. All of our operators are done, and then all we're going to do is we're going to go at the end of it, we're just going to simply write sys out the answer is, and then quickly put in the answer. You know what? Let's go. The answer is answer. What am I on about? That's not very difficult. I just need to put in plus answer. Oh god, here we go. Alright, so welcome to my calculator. Enter your first value 10, enter your second value 20. Oh, whoops. Here we go. To the operator you would like to use. 100, 100. Ooh, crud, what's going on here? This is kind of odd. Should be working. Okay. You know what? Let's remove this line just because it feels kind of pointless for me, because, you know, this is really unprecedented error here. So, you know what? Let's go 0, 0, 0. Alright, this is very odd. So instead of using a switch, we're just going to test if it works any differently with an if and else. So we're going to use if and else statement, a block of them. So we're going to use a load of them. So if operator dot equals plus, then answer is equal to a plus b, else if else, and then we're just going to call if copy that, paste that. God. Alright, so that's kind of annoying. Okay, so else if, we're just going to copy this else if as well, paste that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we want an else just here. Answer is equal to 0. There we go. Alright, so answer is equal to a modulus b. Answer is equal to a... Yeah? 1 second. Alright, so now that I've done that, I'm just going to carry on and just change all of these minus, plus, and then, you know, just change the dot equals to minus, times, modulus, blah blah blah, all that good stuff. Unicorns, whatever. Alright, so modulus and else, answer is equal to 0. Now it should work properly. Let's see. 10, 10. This is a really long shot, but I don't even care. So I'm just gonna do this. 10, 20. This is just, I don't even know myself at the moment. This is very, very confusing. Alright, so, you know what? I think I'm going to sort this out later. I'm not sure why it's not working. It worked normally before. So, I'm just going to end this tutorial prematurely. So, you know what? I'll see you guys next episode where we'll be doing something that actually works. Alright then. Bye guys.